To make a white balance with the Sony camcorder and a white sheet like you would normally do with any camcorder or any camera, you will press, if you see just right here, there's a button that says white balance. So when you press on that button, so I'm going to show you the screen, you will see it says the white balance B or nothing. When there is nothing, it is auto white balance, and when there is that thing, it's the white balance settings B. And if we look at here, we have this little wheel that if we go back to the screen, you see it goes to A. That's a temperature that is manually set, and so this is white balance A, white balance B. So now if I want to set the white balance B with the white sheet, I will put the white sheet in front of it, and I have this button just right here that will make the white balance. So if I show you just like that, so I press the button and it says 4300 Kelvin. And if I put the white sheet in front of it, it says 6200 Kelvin. But there is one other thing, because that button is not set by default for the white balance. So you have to press the menu button right here, and I'm gonna control everything with that joystick just right here, like that. So it goes up, down, and you can select by pressing on it. And so yeah, on the screen, we go down to the very last option. We hit select, and we go down to assign button. And as you can see, my number 5 is the white balance set. So if I click on this, you can select whatever you want. So I pick white balance set, and at the end you come back just by going on the left. And now every time I press on that button, it do a white balance if I can see A or B just right here. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you, or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!